You know this place is never gonna change. With Carmine gone, it's only gonna get worse for you. It's gonna be a power grab. It'll be bloody.
I know. But the city can't change.
It won't.
I have to try.
It's gonna kill you eventually, you know that.